Hey, Berkeley. Are you so super cute? You can't even stand it? Really? Oh, where's the kitty? Where's your kitty, Berkeley? Where's Chloe? Do you see Chloe? She's a very naughty cat today. Chloe went into your room and woke you up during one of your naps. See that guilty look? Mm-hmm. Very guilty.